Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, let's do another Dollar Tree placemat hack. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I have a little visitor in the studio with me. This is my granddaughter, Kathleen. Can you say hello?
Hello.
She decided to come craft with her Mima today so that we can show you guys some wonderful, wonderful ways to use those Dollar Tree placemats. Can you say bye, friends? Have a nice day?
Bye, friends. Have a nice day.
So I'm sure you guys remember the placemats that we used to make some awesome gift bags. That's what I made in my video. But a lot of you shared in the comments the ways that you were going to use that. And I thought the ideas were absolutely fabulous. So today we're going to use another placemat to create something sturdy, functional, budget-friendly, and beautiful. And so here's what we're going to be making today. Can you guys guess what these are? Like I said, functional, sturdy, budget-friendly, and beautiful to boot. So I'll give you a closer look at what these are once we get ready to make them. And I'm also going to share with you another really easy Dollar Tree hack that you can make to go along with these and make it a complete gift. So y'all know what time it is? It is time to make it. All right, y'all. So here is a closer look at what we are making with Dollar Tree placemats. I absolutely love them. They're very sturdy. They're very easy to fold and work with, and they take the tape that I use so well. So here's what we have. Some of you might have already guessed, but are you ready? Here it is. We have a little iPad sleeve. So if you want to protect your iPad or your tablet, this is a very inexpensive way to do it. And this really isn't even an iPad because this is the second Dollar Tree hack project that we're going to make. We're going to make it look like an iPad, but then it becomes a message board for the refrigerator. So when you put it in the sleeve, this becomes a perfect gift to someone because they can take this out, place it on their refrigerator, and then use this to carry their iPad. Or what an awesome idea for your craft fair or your Etsy store. This is such a cute novelty project. And not only is it a novelty project, but it is a functional novelty project. So here is what we are going to need to make this. So for today's sleeve, we're going to use this one that says, "Live every moment with joy and laughter." Then I have one of the Dollar Tree chalkboards, and both of these items can be found at the Dollar Tree. Then I have a piece of foam board that measures 7.5 by 9. I got my foam board from Hobby Lobby, but you can also use that Dollar Tree foam board if you want. And so this is going to be super simple. Here's what we're going to do. And I'm not going to remove this because I tried removing another one and it didn't go too well. So I'm just going to leave it because it's not hurting anything. But what we're going to do is we're going to take our placemat and we're just going to fold it. But where you fold it depends on how much of that front you want showing. So I am going to take my 1-inch double stick tape. Please check the description box for the tape that I use. And I'm going to place one piece of tape on the inside, and I'm going to trim this away. So we placed one piece on the inside. Then we're going to flip it and we're going to place one piece on the opposite outside. So you can see I don't have any tape on the inside, but we are going to take one strip and run it along the outside. And when these two pieces of tape stick together, they are not coming undone. Now I do have some carpet tape that I could actually use on this. And that carpet tape is ultra strong. So if you're looking for carpet tape, just go to Amazon and search double-sided carpet tape, or visit your home improvement store. You will definitely find some there. Then I'm going to take this, so I have my piece of tape here and my piece of tape just like that. I'm going to place a strip of tape along the bottom. So just turn it over Make sure you have your words going in the right direction, because y'all know me, I will have that thing upside down in a minute. So I'm going to take my tape and run it across the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to remove my tape, all of the tape that I put down. I'm going to remove it. This is so easy, but it is so functional. So I'm going to take it and turn it around to where I want my center to be. And then once I have my center, I can just take my ends and place them down just like that. Now I can flip this over and we'll get the whole thing stuck. I'm going to bring in my big old spatula, go over all of this to reinforce my stick. I'm going to go over that part just to make sure I have a nice stick with that tape. And now I have this beautiful, absolutely beautiful sleeve for my iPad. Now when finished, this will hold tablets or anything you might want to protect that are up to 8 by 11. So if you have an 8 by 11, this is perfect for holding that. And look at how gorgeous that is. And you guys saw just how easy that was for me to do. And I'll hold it like that so that you can see this is definitely going to hold those tablets. Now, my tablet is an iPad Pro, so it will not fit in this. But if you wanted to make it larger, you would need to join 2 placemats together. And maybe I'll show that in another video, how to expand this. But this is perfect for just using 1 placemat and coming up with this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous tablet sleeve. So let's go ahead and make that tablet center that we would also include. And this too is going to be super, super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down with tape. But I want you guys to use your strong glue. Of course, if I was gluing this down, I would be gluing it down with my Reptile. But I am using tape because I really want to get this down quick. And because this is really non-porous and this is non-porous, it would take my glue a little while to set up and stick on that, but it will. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this and we're going to put it down just like that. But before I do, I am just going to take some tape. I'm going to run it in the direction opposite of how I placed it down on the chalkboard. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to round my corners a little bit. You can do this with a corner rounder if you have one. It actually makes it easier. All right, so once I have my corners rounded, I am going to peel away my tape from both pieces. And now I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it closer to me to try to get it even. And so I'm going to take it and place it down. It won't be perfect, but it will be good enough. We now have something that is starting to look a little bit like an iPad. So I have this little sticker. It's a foam sticker I'm going to place there right at the top for the camera hole. Then I'm going to use my Blooms and Petals book. And all I'm going to do is take one of my little pieces from the back And what I want from that is I really only want the circle. And because it's white, I don't have to worry about being exact on how I cut that circle. So now I'll peel that away. We're going to take it, place it right there. I'll have to fold it a little bit because it is bigger. So then I'm just going to use my big old spatula to get that nice and stuck. And now we have our fake iPad. So what I would do is I would take my magnets and I would place 3 rows of magnets, 3 each row. So I'd put 9 magnets on the back because this is a little bit heavy and you want to make sure it stays on your refrigerator. So I'd place 3 going this way, 3 this way, and 3 this way. Or if you carry your iPad in this orientation, I would place 3 this way, 3 this way, and 3 this way. However, it's going to work for you. But now you have this beautiful faux tablet that you can use with your sweet sleeve. So I'm going to take this and just put it on the inside, and you can see how much room we have on the inside to be able to protect some sizes of our tablets. And this is for any tablet that falls within that 8 by 11 inch range. But I think that this is a super cute project, and I think anyone would be pleased to have it. And my granddaughter has a little iPad mini that her mom gave to her that she wasn't using anymore. So I think that this would be perfect to protect that iPad mini from being damaged. So let's bring in those others so that you can see. This is just so stinking cute, y'all. And I know that you guys are going to be able to find some awesome placemats to be able to make these sleeves. And this is one that we use to make one of the bags. And we have that chef with the plate of spaghetti. And then when you open it, I also have one of the little iPads inside of his sleeve as well. So y'all, look at all of this goodness we're able to make, and these are dollar projects, and they're not just cute, they are functional, and that's what we're all about on this channel, creating beauty and function. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick and easy way to use those Dollar Tree placemats or any placemats that you might have. If you have liked this video, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.